Hey everybody! Welcome back to Annie's Tour the Explorer again. So today's vlog is about the visit of mine to one of my favorite hiking trail after a week of a snowstorm in Madrid. So guys, follow me and keep watching. For those of you that are not connected with me, please do connect. And don't forget to ring that notification bell so that ma-notify kayo sa lahat ng mga upcoming videos ko. So ayan, keep watching guys! Follow me! So there you go guys, after a week of the snowstorm in Madrid, I decided to come and visit my favorite trail where I used to go hiking. So there they are guys in front. So I'll be walking towards there and I'm gonna show you how does it look after a week already. So keep watching. Wow, look at that. Oh my goodness, they were still covered with snow. And even here in the nursery where I used to go and visit, they were fully covered. All the plants that they planted were fully covered with snow. OMG. Look at that. You see? Keep watching guys because I'm gonna keep walking towards the park. Okay? And I'm gonna show you how does it look really in the other side of this. The sun is out though. Keep watching. Check this out guys. This is the way to the Casa de Campo park, and as you can see, they were not cleared totally. They were just almost the same as the first day of snowstorm. But of course the road, they already cleared the road. So some of the cars can already pass by. And there's even someone that's walking there. So as you can see, this is where I used to go walking during summer. Is so beautiful, and spring of course, because they have such a beautiful weather on that season. But during winter it's impossible. So guys, keep following because I'm gonna bring you in the other side of the park. Okay, keep watching guys. Nandito na ako sa It's a natural park where I used to go hiking during summer. So look at that. This is how it looks right now. They were fully covered with snow, and the snow are still soft. They were soft. They just look like new fall, but no, it's already been a week. And look at that. This will take several days really. So as you can see, that. I love this place because I could hike like more than 4 hours. The last time I go hiking in this natural park, it took me like 3 hours and a half to reach in the other side of the mountain. But now I don't know how am I going to reach in the other side. Of course, I'm not gonna hike right now. I just decided to come and visit because I just can't imagine how does it look after the snowstorm in Madrid. It is very unusual to have snow in Madrid, and this year we have like a very heavy snowstorm, and they call it La Borrasca Filomena. So and guys, I'm gonna start walking back because nobody here. It's like 3 p.m. It's my lunch break, and I just decided to go out and go for a walk. And I decided to come over in this side. You see? Actually, the sun is out, but it is very beautiful day. It's not that cold anymore. Yesterday it's -9, but during the day when the sun is out, it's not really cold. But at night or during early in the morning, the temperature go down and it's really cold. You see? Do you like it, guys? In the other side, as you can see, still full of snow everywhere. I'm just right here at the bottom. Actually, I didn't really want to go farther because as you can see, nobody's around, and with this snow all over, I don't think there's a lot of people here that wanted to be here right now, you know. So for those of you that are watching me for the first time, this is Annie, and I manage my YTC, Annie's Tour the Explorer. And if you're not connected with me, please do connect for more videos that I am going to share so that you will get notified. Don't forget to ring that notification bell. Okay guys, so I'm gonna say goodbye. Bye for now, and I hope to see you on my future videos. Bye. Love you all. Mwah, mwah, chup chup. Bye.